Yeah, man. Well, I go make Mr. Andrew Holiness know this.
What's up, guys? What's up? It's a girl Kissy Unstoppable. So guys, the video that what I bring over right now, it's about a young man in Jamaica, and he was calling on the Prime Minister to change all laws about discipline your kid. And him right. Everything when the man say all time out, the man right. The man right, because me growing up as a kid in Jamaica, my grandmother beat me, my auntie beat me, and me never did. Look for me now. So I don't see why pitney not supposed to get beaten. I don't say you got abuse them, but pitney must get disciplined. When they do something wrong, they forget discipline. You know, to make them believe say anything they do wrong, they're supposed to get away with it because them say, oh, I will call 911 on you. Bull. Them need to change this whole law and all these whole rules about discipline. And that's what the gentleman was saying, that like, discipline your pitney them, and then when they turn 13, 14 and them a do wrong like kill people and rob people, a police say man go come for them and shoot them, and then go say no pitney, you never grow your pitney good and you never grow your pitney this and that. And you understand, growing up, teacher used to beat us, teacher used to send we a monitor and go pick the stick, because so you go get lick out of it, you understand. And look one way, nothing wrong with we, nothing never do we survive. You understand? No teacher can beat pitney at school, or pitney a beat teacher, and it's not right. It's not right. So I mean, no need to cut out this bullshit I talk about. So forgive my language, I'm not cussing about, forgive me. You don't need to cut out this thing about not talk about you can't beat your pitney, you can't discipline your pitney, you understand? And your pitney go to school and tell teacher say mommy beat him or daddy beat him, send social worker people. Yeah, I don't know if you cut out them something there. So guys, I'm going to go over and watch the video, and remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Put on your post notifications so you know each time I upload a video. Yes.
My pitney when him give me trouble and me beat him, come take lick off of him. And that's why so much gunman there and we can't control them. We are 14, 13 and 15. Because no one bring foreign to Jamaica. Where Jamaican toughened pitney them and lick grow them. And when you was a youth, a lick grow no make you acknowledge life up till today. And from your start talk about corporal punishment, nothing in the home, them most of the pitney them a turn gunman, thief. You can't talk to them at school anymore as teacher. See? And when me I go to school as a youth, teacher have belt to slap pitney in them hand and teach pitney wrong from right. And right now no wrong from right now teach, because when I come in you don't look a foreign style. Where pitney I go kill off them parents and sit down in a house till the police come. And then I go kill people pitney. I say parents, nah school them pitney good. When time pitney forget slapping at them ass when them disobey. And you know with your rich pitney. Me no rich so me poor. Gary so me born. Me have a school my youth big man. So try get that in your head brother and run the country properly and stop going like you want to run down the country in a violence. Because that's why so much crime and violence are go on. Because nobody can school them pitney no more. Where you get to the style from? Eh? At Tambrin with people used to plot for pitney and leather belt and school them properly. And you see how you grow come up nice and wonderful. And how them a brute force pitney are grow now. Disaster rust, gun rust, internet rust, everything that is bad in a eye. And you know why people school them pitney, and you know dead when the pitney them a get out of hand. You need to acknowledge what Jamaica is from what you run it to. Remember the days of Jamaica was natural culture. No natural culture no day again. Because be a nastiness and more sound government implementing it. Because sound no get pay, brother. So nobody come see me at school my pitney, because I not go beat my pitney for kill him, you know. Oh, I not go beat him for kill him. But when him go to school and disobey the teacher and them call iPhone, I go slap him. And that will not run from. And that's why so much crime and violence in the country.